Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make Pico Ramen. I think Mexican and Korean food uh, go together really well because they are spicy and they use a fresh ingredient. And today we need Jin Ramen. You need to get mild one, not spicy one. And also we need pico ingredients, green peppers, tomatoes, limes, white onions, cilantro, a beef patty. I bought this from Costco. They are individually packaged, and it's really good when you use small amount of beef. You can take it out one at a time and use it. Salt and honey. This is Georgia honey. Some people say that if you eat local honey, uh, it's really good for allergy during spring season. So I will try it. And corn and taco seasoning mix and cold bottle of water. We're gonna use half bottle. And this one is fire roasted tomatoes, uh, Cantina style salsa. You need to chop ingredient to make pico. You don't need to make this much pico for making ramen. I made this amount for taco dinner, and I'm gonna use some of them for ramen. And you can add lime juice, and but the amount of lime juice is up to you. If you like acidity, you can add more, but I'm gonna add just one lime here. And salt. Mix them well. They look great, right? And if you're hungry, you can uh, grab some chips and eat some pico with. Please cook beef patty with taco seasoning mix. Add soup base in the bowl. Then add a little bit hot water. Dissolve well with the hot water. And half lime. It depends on you. If you like acidity, you can add uh, more lime juice. And 1 spoon of honey. And mix them well. We are going to cook noodle. Please add 2 cups of water. When water is boiling, add ramen noodle, dry veggies in the package. And you need to cook fully here. We are going to rinse with ice water later, and ramen getting hard when rinsed with ice water. So you need to cook fully here. Then please rinse noodle in ice water. If you rinse noodle in ice water, noodle becomes chewy. And you can add more water. I think this is enough water. All ingredients are ready. It's plating time. Add corn, pico, cooked beef patty in the bowl. It looks beautiful and delicious. And also, I recommend fire roasted tomato salsa. It's my favorite salsa. It's delicious. You should try it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.